To reassemble the Glock, place the slide upside down on your work surface, grasp the barrel by the recoil lug, muzzle down, insert it into the slide, forward, allow it to lay in like so, then use your finger to bring it back and it will lock into place. Then take your recoil spring and guide assembly, the small end going forward into the little ring socket at the front of the slide, and then use your thumb to apply a little forward pressure so it sits right down in the notch, locking it in place. Now the slide can go back onto the frame, making sure that you engage all 4 of the slide rails, like so. Then we can lock the slide to the rear by pushing all the way to the rear and applying the upward pressure on the slide stop. Close the slide, insert the magazine, and that concludes the reassembly.